What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage, man. We are back with another video, and today I'm finally about to unbox these sneakers that I probably had since I think around January the 2nd or 3rd or something like that. Just never got to the sneaker. I think a lot of people know I already have it, but we gotta build some anticipation up. You guys really enjoyed these unboxings. What I think about the resale value and stuff like that, I feel like a lot of you guys love those videos. Kind of informative videos. Even if I tell you guys the shoe's gonna tank, it's gonna go up soon, and we can kind of talk about and have some conversation down below in the comment section. So I appreciate everybody for pulling up to these unboxing videos. You know what I'm saying? Liking the video, commenting, and like I said, if anybody's new, please subscribe to the channel right now. My Instagram will be linked down below in the description box, man. Head over there, give your boy a follow. And with all that out the way, man, we can jump right into these two unboxings. See, we got a huge box right here from Sole Premise, so let's get right into it. All right, guys, let's get right into it. If you guys do not know who Sole Premise is or what Sole Premise is, they have the best sneaker traveling bags on the market. Everybody uses Sole Premise bags to travel. Even if you're going to the gym, wherever you're going, these bags are very, very durable, good leather quality and all that good stuff, so you gotta worry about rips, tears, no kind of crazy stuff with the quality control over the bags. I've been rocking with them for like the past 2 years, man. You can use my code TheVintage, save you 35% off your entire order. Trust me, it saves you a lot of money. And they didn't even tell me they were sending nothing over, so I'm kind of excited to see what they sent over for your boy. And let me check out the inside. I got the lavender colorway. Hold on, okay. Let me go ahead and check that out. You see it right there? Very, very nice. I love that color. I don't even think I've seen this color before. Shouts out to Sole Premise for sending this over for your boy. They didn't tell me they were sending it at all. So let's go ahead and pop this thing open real quick. Let's get it out the way. So as you can see, the Sole Premise bag, you kind of get the gold accents. You got the SP up here saying Sole Premise, of course. You got your gold zippers, gold lining, gold trimming and stuff like that. Very nice, man. You can make this like a little Lakers bag, I guess you could say. Throw some yellow accents or something like that. But the reason this bag is very important for sneakerheads is you can wear this to, like, you know, on the airplane. You can throw these joints in the overhead compartment when you're on the plane, going to different sneaker events, going to a family's house or whatever, friend's house. You can have all your sneakers with you the entire journey. That's why I really love, that's why I really rock with Sole Premise. Right here, you put whatever you want. Check it out. Put your laptop down up in here. Especially for you content creators out there, this is very important for you guys. Say for instance, you're going to like a sneaker event, you want to get some good content, throw your camera in here, throw your laptop in here, all that good stuff, and you can throw a couple of different outfits and some dope sneakers inside of the bag as well, man. So make sure you guys use my code TheVintage, save 35% off. I will leave a direct link in the description box if you guys want to go get you some Sole Premise bag. Like I said, it's the best sneaker traveling bags in the market. You guys know I would not cap on you guys. Go ahead with Sole Premise, get you a Sole Premise bag, man. Let's get into the sneakers. All right, guys, and for these sneakers right here, I don't even need the knife because lately when you get sneakers from the Adidas app, or is it Adidas Confirmed or Adidas app, I'm not too sure, but you get like the little ridges or whatever, so we can just pop it off like that or whatever. I already started this unboxing, but I forgot I did not unbox them for the Vintage Squad. It's something I wanted to do, show you guys all of my pickups, even if it's a loss, even if I think it's gonna go up, go down, any of that. I want to bring you guys my box and give you guys my honest opinion about the sneakers I picked up. So with these right here, I'm not gonna lie, I was super excited that I hit. I was like, yo, why am I hitting on all these Yeezys lately? And I kind of see where the trend is going, you feel me? I feel like Yeezy's it's not dying. It might be going down, it might be, you know what I'm saying, a little slept on as of now, but I definitely think most of these Yeezys I picked up lately is gonna go up in the near future just because Kanye made these sneakers. So go ahead and pop this open real quick, get that out the way. And as you can see up top, we have a Yeezy basketball sneaker. This is my first basketball Yeezy in the collection. That's why I was really hyped on getting these, and I was like, yo, it's no way I got these retail. I was watching a couple different live cops. I think I was watching Rafi's live cop for these right here. And everybody was like, yo, I'm checking out. These things is bricks, blah, blah, this, blah, blah, that. I was like, yo, I don't care. I want them. Real quick, let me read the official colorway. It says, I don't even know how to read that. You guys see it right here. I don't know what that says. Hopefully it's not too bright. If it is, I will give you guys some B-roll. I don't know what that says. You guys let me know in the comment section. So let's get right into these things real quick. And yes sir, we finally have them. the Yeezy basketball sneakers, and I forget the actual colorway of this sneaker. Right? I honestly do not know, because I was hyped on it when I first got them. This is a storm blue or something blue. I don't know what it's called, but the only reason I really want this, I'm being 100% honest, because it's a basketball Yeezy, and I thought it was gonna be impossible, damn near impossible to get. Like I said, sometimes we get that little hype beast in us that makes us want to go and make these impulse buys, and I fell for it this time. All right, guys, now real quick, in my defense, I'm not too much of a hype beast because I did pick up the Quantum Bariums last year as well, so it wasn't too much of an impulse hype beast buy. I really love this pair right here. Very dope, very different. And even when I did the review on feed over these right here, I was telling you guys, like, it's a futuristic sneaker. It's kind of giving you like some Alien versus Predator vibes. It's all types of weird stuff surrounded with this sneaker. And anything Kanye touches, he's very innovative, he's very creative, and he always gives us that futuristic look on all of the sneakers. Just look at this one right here. Even look at the 380s or even the 700 V3s that we have up there. All of them look very different, something we're not used to seeing at all. And he's killing the game and changing the game up like it ain't nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these out of the way real quick. I just wanted to pull them Quantum Bariums out so you guys are like, oh, he a hype beast. He just wanted some Yeezy because it's Yeezy. And as you guys know me, I've been rocking with Yeezy for a long time. Even before the clothing, before the sneakers, I love Kanye music. But these right here, like I said, very different, something new. And I was like, yo, basketball Yeezy, I got to cop these joints. So you guys let me know what you feel about these down below in the comment section. So a lot of people gonna ask about the size and stuff like that. I got these in a size 9. It was a super easy checkout. But we're looking at these and look at the resale value. They're going for right at retail. I think they retail for 200 or 220 bucks. I'm not too sure. You check on GOAT, you check on StockX, all of them are sitting around retail price. Whatever the retail is, I think it's 220 or 200. So as far as investment, I guess you wouldn't lose anything. I think the only thing it's gonna do is go up from here. But a lot of you guys always ask like how much is gonna go up, and I do not think it's gonna go up that much right now. Something crazy gotta happen. Like Kanye gotta be like, yo, it's only like 20,000 pairs of these, or he not releasing these anymore, or something like that, for the resale value to go up. So this will be a super long hold, pause, all that good stuff. It's gonna be a long hold just because they're going for nothing. There's not a lot of hype behind the sneaker, but when it first released in February of last year around All-Star Weekend, where they were selling them out the back of like the armored truck or whatever, they were going for some bread. That thing dropped so fast, resale dropped so crazy. It was ridiculous. Now we have these Yeezy basketball sneakers, and you see the resale price dipped a lot as well. So we're gonna see what happens. I think this sneaker will be a good purchase for anybody that really wants a sneaker, not as far as resellers, because you see these things tank, they're going for under retail. So don't, you know what I'm saying, spend too much money on these. Maybe get like 1 or 2 pairs because they will go up eventually. I just don't know how long it'll take. So I would not suggest anybody go out here and make an investment with these Yeezy basketballs. These right here, impulse buy. First basketball Yeezy in the collection, and I honestly just wanted to see how these things looked in hand. And I remember 3 years ago when I couldn't even get my hands on any pair of Yeezys, and now it's just so easy to get Yeezys in the collection. You know what I'm saying? The resale values is low, the hype went down, and now it is almost automatic to get a pair of Yeezys from Yeezy Supply, the Adidas app, the Adidas Confirmed. It's crazy now. I appreciate everybody for pulling up to this video. We should have an early look coming soon. Make sure y'all notification bell is on. Make sure y'all hit that like button on the video, because this helps the channel grow. This shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, and YouTube shows these videos to other people that love sneaker content as well. So please help your boy out. I know y'all ready for that early look. So like I said, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video, comment something down below over these trash basketball Yeezys, whatever you want to call them. Let me know something down below in the comment section. I appreciate everybody pulling up. Appreciate all of support. Head over to Instagram, give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video, man. Peace.